This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending January 25th, 2025. The market finished higher this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased minus 0.29% on Friday, but was up 2.15% for the week. The S&P 500 decreased minus 0.32% on Friday, but was up 1.74% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 0.5% on Friday, but was up 1.65% for the week. But that doesn't really matter because no matter what the market does, I generate cash flow from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin was up 1.06% this week, but that doesn't really matter much either because I can generate cash flow from Bitcoin as long as it is volatile. And we know that Bitcoin, if nothing else, is volatile. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is about $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and ETFs. I created a watch list I use to determine which options of Bitcoin stocks and ETFs that I may want to sell. Looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Cipher Mining Incorporated, ticker symbol CIFR in the first column. It was up 6.69% on Friday and increased 8.66% for the week. Cipher Mining Incorporated develops and operates industrial scale Bitcoin mining data centers in the United States. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 7 different option contracts that range from $57.34 to $575.32. I received a total of $1,614.35 for the 7 option contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Yeah, I'm not going to reveal exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 is $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, but I'm sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly goals. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. What do you think I should do with my $1,614.35 I received this week? Well, I will probably take it out. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount increased from the prior week. As you can see, last week versus this week. And my total account value increased by 0.63%. So, what's the catch? Knowledge. Anyone can learn how to do this with the right knowledge. There are many books and videos available to you to learn how to invest, trade, and generate cash flow. Your results will vary, of course, depending on what stocks and options you use. I now use Bitcoin related stocks and ETFs to generate cash flow income. What do you use? Work? Okay, keep at it. YouTube? How many clicks do you need? Stock dividends, bonds, real estate? What were your related expenses and how much time did it take you to make your money? My related expenses were zero and I spent almost no time. Instead, I did this. Check back every week to see how much cash flow I generate from week to week and whether or not I meet my cash flow goals for the year. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.